Especially countries like Japan, China, India, UK, Germany. I don't think US, I don't think Australia, but Germany, UK, Japan, China, India. I should have access to, like, whenever I want, how I want, because the nature of my work. I don't know their rules, their regulations, and all that stuff, but if I don't fit into their regulations, it's not my problem. It's their fault.
Dekho, to be honest, rules doesn't say all these things. It's all the immigration people, they have to do it. Rules ये नहीं कहते कि you have to go out anyways, right? Rules says that if you are genuine, if you are skilled, you can stay in this country and work properly. You can do business, you can do anything. But what the thing is, जो immigration lawyers हैं, जो immigration UK BA के बैठे हैं, they are concerned about their own mentality that they don't want to get out of it.
So what do you think? It's a purely racist country that they made laws like these.
Dude, if it is because you've got an Indian passport, you only have an Indian passport because you're Indian. It's not like you're American but you chose to have an Indian passport. So yes. Yes, oh, you have an Indian passport.
No, that's what the thing I noticed when I went to Sharm el Sheikh. There were at least 100 passengers. They all had British and European passports. I was the only one stopped and questioned for 45 minutes because I had an Indian passport. My partner, she had a British passport. They didn't even look at the passport. They saw her. Yeah. All right, madam, and they saluted her. Oh, where are you coming from? She said Britain. Oh, okay, British, very nice country. Blah 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 blah. And where are you coming from? Like, I'm coming from Britain. This passport, you British? I showed them passport. Oh, Indian. Okay, you stay here, mate. Like 30 minutes. We have to see if your passport is genuine or not.
So if even after this April, like let's say I go to India, then September, what if I have to come back again? What if I get a call from Aston Martin? Do you want to do this? I don't want to.
Then the company has to sponsor you.
They won't sponsor. I'll be working as a contractor.
But they have to send you a contract letter. One to you and one to UKBA to get a TA2 general to skilled workers. If they're not sending
most of these contracts, they say if you already don't have a valid work visa or
then you have
eligibility to work in the US, UK, kindly don't apply.
You are fucked up.
Basically, what they want is they don't want you here.
They don't want to take that responsibility.
Exactly. They don't want the headache. They want somebody to start in next week.
Okay, here's my question. What's going to happen to the economy when all of these people are, gotten rid of from the country? Tell me.
कुछ ऐसा करो कि सारे Indians ना अपना बैग बांधे, सारी investment liquidate करके निकल लें.
Yeah, liquidate all the investment. Go back to the country because they're fucking racist. They don't want us here anyways.
But how many people are career conscious, right? People they are fine living here, doing the labor job, packing some stuff, doing some shit work, washing their toilets and all. They are fine. They are happy with it. Why? Because they are getting decent money out of it.
More than what they would get in India doing the same thing.
Yeah, they're not getting these. They're not educated. They get a good job in India anyway, right?
What about the educated people who can make a difference?
They should do something.
I mean, they made laws in such a way that they are promoting people.
A lot of career conscious people have done their thing 5 years ago and they've got permanent stays and they won't move. वो क्या हमें क्या जा रहा? हाँ. और जिनको नहीं हो रहा तो वो already निकल लेंगे या वो already यहाँ पे है नहीं तो उनसे कोई फर्क पड़ेगा नहीं.
Simple से बात है एक blog बनाओ.
So basically we are screwed, aren't we? I've got a company with no future at all. You got some shit. He's got a design job and he is not got no future. The people who are fucking cleaning the toilet and staying here since 20 years, they got good future,
That's what UK is all about, man.
So fuck it, man. Screw it. Let's go back home.